Alright, so it is currently Saturday. Slept in, woke up at like 10. Well, first woke up at 7:30, so it's pretty crazy how doing the 7:30 wake ups, you just automatically wake up at 7:30 eventually. But yeah, currently chilling today, just going to do a bunch of errands. I'll take you guys on for that journey. Yeah, I'm going to start by just going over all the students' questions because, you know, that's the priority. I want to go ahead and answer everyone's questions. So let me go ahead and do that. We had some super toxic member who just yelling, spamming, so toxic in the group, kicked them out, and then I just wanted to say sorry to all the members. So we did an impromptu mastermind call this weekend. It was a Saturday. I don't work on Saturdays, but you know, I wanted to give back and give some value, so jump in for half an hour. Now Mark is going to handle the remaining of the call. He'll probably be on there for like another you know, half an hour or so, or even like an hour extra. So yeah, just sort of giving the students as much value as possible. Now back to answering questions. So right now, there's some screws behind the TV that I need to secure, but this is too short. Like I can't reach where I need to go. So what I need to do is I found this stick, one of my old green screens. I'm gonna stick it and have this as a pull. We'll see how this turns out. Yeah, it's in. It worked. Did it. Oh, that was cool. First thing of the day done. Here's a bit crazy. That's that. Alright, check this out. It doesn't look too, it's just rice, egg, shallots or green onion and some avocado. Perfect lunch. Let's kill it and then complete some more chores. Alright, so this is my North Face jacket. As you can see, well, last week we fixed the patch. That's pretty awesome. But now I want to go ahead and fix these issues. As you can see, these seams, I sort of use super glue to try to stick it together, but it's not really sustainable. It's a bit like falling off and stuff. Like for example here, like this is a bit loose here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead, I bought this, and we're gonna go ahead and apply it. First time doing it, I'll figure it out. And yeah, I'll do a time lapse. Alright, so this is the Mont Blanc pen. Did a video on it, so then you could link it to the card. I'll put it in the description. Yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful piece of art. Gold plated, love it. Bought refills. These are pretty expensive. I think it was just like 15 bucks just to refill it for 2 times. Yeah, so let's open it first. Okay, wow. So this is the empty one. I think it doesn't work anymore. Let's test it. Sort of works a bit. Yeah, it doesn't really work too much. Now let's go ahead and put in the replacement. Fingers crossed it fits. Okay, perfect. I just want to make it small enough to just take out one. Nice, so here it is, the refill. This is a blue refill. Put it in. Let's go ahead and spin it. Like using this pen is amazing. I love it. So beautiful. Yeah, let's take out the tip. Protective tip. Stop that. Remove that. Oh. Whoa. There it is, it's off. Ink already came out. Let's test it out. Whoa, this is small. Wow, it's nice. My hand's a bit sticky, so I don't want to make the pen sticky. Sticky from, you know, doing the jacket thingy. But whoa, this is very fine. Very fine. Wow. It's like a ink pen. Because I did want something more thinner. This is like very interesting. A bit rough for some reason. But yeah, it does the job. That's the pen. Refilled that. A bit sticky now. So just get less sticky. Put it onto this. There you go. Love it. Alright. That's that. Next is I'm gonna buy some snow gear. Alright, now I'm gonna add a scene. Custom, call it office lights. Add accessory, put in the chair and the work table. Done, done. And then, so now, check this out. Go ahead and turn off the office lights. So, you know, right now, just watching Elon Musk. Turn on office lights.
Office lights.
Bam. That turns on. That doesn't turn on for some reason. Oh. Interesting. Why is it not working? Alright, it works now. Turn on office lights.
All set.
Hey Siri, turn off office lights.
Okay.
No, why isn't that? Turn off office lights.
Okay, the chair is off.
Why is that not counted? Maybe because it's not a light? Okay, there. Change it to be a light. Turn on office lights.
All set.
Turn off office lights.
Okay.
Yes, got it working. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the star projector. Hey Siri, turn on couch lamp. Awesome. So let me do the same for the star projector. Alright, I think I got it. So, hey Siri, turn off couch lamp.
Done.
Let me turn off this light. This kitchen light. Hey Alexa, turn on starlight. Oh, that's pretty cool. Very cool. Does that on demand. Now I can go ahead and I'll click it. Bam! All the stars. How cool is that? Hey Siri, turn on couch lamp. And that turns on. Hey Alexa, turn off starlights. Hey Alexa, turn off starlights. Pretty dope. Alright, that's the smart light setup done. I'm very happy. Hey Siri, turn on office lights.
Office lights.
Booyah. Jacket still. Let's see, how is it? Oh, sticky. Some places haven't sealed up. Like here, it's like lifted. Okay, maybe that's helped. Yeah, it's coming together. It's pretty good. But yeah, now let me pack up all this mess. And then we'll make some dinner, pumpkin. this out. Organic popcorn. Just put in some kernels and butter. I think I did this the other night, but it's pretty cool. Shake it a bit. It's pretty cool how like this is how popcorn used to be made. Yeah. Okay, gonna make some pumpkin chips. That's sort of what I was prepping as well. But yeah, just gonna prep for like a nice movie night. Had some dinner with my family. Life is pretty good, guys. Things are slowly working out. Sometimes I do have doubts at how slow the growth is and how like seems like everyone is just like in my space is killing it, because you know like the YouTube channel just grows slow and steady. The YouTube channel grows slow and steady. Students, I'm slowly getting students in a bit every day, but it's not like at the rate I want. Like I want at least one new student every single day. We're slowly getting there, and I know we're gonna get there soon, especially when this series comes out, because you guys get to see how dedicated I am to helping students. Sorry for the loud air fryer, but yeah, I do have my doubts. But check out this popcorn, man. It smells very good. So cool. Alright, let's get back to shaking it. Oh no! Did you see that? It just went everywhere. Put in some more butter. And mix that around. Doing better and better cooking every single day, guys, and eventually meal prep. I want to do that very soon, because like cooking very inefficient, and I feel myself growing at a same pace where you know, the extra time is going to be handy. Like I'm nearly at that place. Like I can afford it. Oh no, yeah, I can afford it, but like ideally I don't want to be spending $500-600 a month on food, but I think it's going to be worth it. Let's say $8 a meal, 3 meals a day, so that is $24 times that by 30, so roughly $680. Nope, that's wrong. Actually, $720. Yeah, $720. Pretty impressed how fast I was. $720 a month, which is not too bad. Which is, well, like that's the price of one whole employee. But which it is, because it's food, but it's an affordable employee. And I save a lot of money on food. Like food itself would already cost like a month, like I don't know, $200. So ideally I'm paying $800. I mean $500 for the service of it being cooked and delivered, which is pretty worth it. Alright, check this out. Nice. And sort of like caramelized, sort of. Don't want to get it burnt. Let's try one. Pretty good. Alright, time to watch a movie and end the night. My plan is I'm gonna go ahead and kill this while it's nice and warm, and then after roughly around halfway in the movie, clean up chores, plan the next day, have a warm shower, and then after that finish off the movie and then go to sleep. That's the plan. Or maybe read books. I think I'll read a book today. But yeah, check this out. Got the roasted pumpkin slices. Pretty nice, and then got the homemade popcorn. Gonna watch a Brad Pitt movie now. Alright, peace. just finished my end routine, plan the day for tomorrow. I'm very excited, my motivation's back. I'm very excited to crush things. I can't wait to just scale everything out. Super excited for the future. This is just the beginning. Things are going super well. Like everything's back. I feel recovered. I'm grateful for today's day off. And yeah, good night guys. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. The interns are gonna come through. I'll figure out how to go ahead and let them run ads. I just have to give them access to my page, and I'm gonna probably sell a bunch of things on eBay and get them to help me with that. But yeah, things are going well guys. Peace, have a good night.